The old man Ferrari once said, "The V12 is the heart of a true Ferrari." And today, that heart beats louder than ever. This is the all-new Ferrari 12 Cilindre. It's not just a car, but a tribute to a legacy. A front-engined, naturally aspirated V12 in a world going quiet. This isn't about numbers or trends. This is about soul. In a time when V12 is expected to fade away, Ferrari didn't just preserve it, they perfected it. Sleek, modern, but deeply rooted in the spirit of Enzo himself. Join me for a closer look at what might just be the last great V12 of our time, the 12 Cilindre. Because when Ferrari builds something like this, you don't just drive it, you feel it. So first things first, we'll start with the design of this car. This design is a tribute to the legacy models of Ferrari like the 365 GTB and the Daytona. यहाँ पे अगर हम इसके design elements की बात करें, so this is a very good mixture of old Ferrari cars as well as the new gen design they have acquired. They have got these projector headlamps, Q-shaped projector headlamps which looks really cool. यहाँ पे आपको winglet जैसे डिज़ाइन में side blinkers मिलते हैं. This is the fully spec'd Ferrari 12 Cilindre. तो इसके अंदर आपको endless amount of customizations यहाँ पे कर रखी हैं. Lots and lots use of कार्बन फाइबर ऑन द लोअर बम्पर. यहाँ पे आपको एयर इनटेक्स मिलते हैं टू कूल डाउन योर मैसिव नेचुरली एस्पिरेटेड V12 इंजन. यहाँ पे आपको हुड स्कूप्स देखने को मिल जाते हैं. मूविंग टूवर्ड्स द साइड यू गेट दीज वेरी कूल लुकिंग डुअल टोन 21-inch alloy wheels, and Ferrari gives you a lot of customization options. You can decide your stitching, you can design your alloy wheel design, you can also decide your brake caliper color. So endless amount of possibilities in this car. This paint scheme is also very special. You get this Ferrari logo on the side. Moving towards the side profile of the car, you get very aggressive looking lines and creases. You get these carbon fiber wing mirrors. यहाँ पे आपको डोर एंट्रेंस के लिए यहाँ पे डोर हैंडल मिलता है जिसे आपको बस आगे पुश करना है और इसका डोर अपने आप खुल जाएगा. एंड दिस इज अ सॉफ्ट क्लोजिंग डोर, तो आपको तेज बंद करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. आप इसे बस ऐसे बंद करेंगे, इट लॉक itself. Moving towards the rear profile of this car, यहाँ पे you can also see good carbon fiber work on the shoulder line of the car. Ferrari branding. Other than that, you get this connected LED tail light which looks super cool. And this is one of the few Ferraris जिसके अंदर आपको boot space भी देखने को मिलता है to keep little bit of your stuff. Other than that, moving towards this side of the car, you get here the petrol tank. And let's now move on the inside and I'll show you what all you get in terms of features. Finally, I'm inside the Ferrari 12 Cilindre. और इस गाड़ी के अंदर it gets a very new, very modern cockpit as well as it retains that Ferrari characteristics. Other than that, यहाँ पे you get a lot of screens. I just need to turn on the battery. You get one screen for the driver side and you get a lot of options. You can set brightness, you get performance, you get audio, everything here. Other than that, in the center you get this touchscreen infotainment unit. यहाँ पे you can control AC and access a lot of features of this car, like you can adjust the height of the car. Other than that, you can connect your phone. You get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto in this car. So a lot of basic customizations you can do through the screen. And then you get this massive fully digital instrument cluster where you get all the relevant information regarding the car. This looks really cool. The graphics and inputs, they look very premium. Other than that, you get this flat bottom steering wheel with mounted controls on it. You get engine start button, wiper washers, side indicator button, you get audio controls here. You can also adjust the suspension height from here. So a lot of customizations you get, and you get these very cool looking carbon fiber pedal shifters which you can use if you want to drive this car in a very spirited manner. Other than that, if you see these seats, these are also part of customization. These are fully carbon fiber seats, and this red leather looks very premium, very cool, makes this car overall pretty plush. And there's like a lot of carbon fiber used in the center console as well. These are your gear shifts, you get side window buttons, you get AC vents placed to the driver and 2 AC vents placed towards the passenger. So a lot of things which has been done to give convenience to the driver as well as passenger. This car on the inside looks very cool, very premium, and the good part is it looks modern but it still retains that Ferrari silhouette. So फ्रेंड्स, ये तो हो गई इस गाड़ी के इंटीरियर्स की बात, विच लुक्स वेरी प्रीमियम. यू गेट दीज मेटल ब्रेक एंड एक्सेलरेटर पेडल्स, यू गेट हियर डोर बटन्स, वेरी प्रीमियम यूज ऑफ लेदर, रेड कलर inserts, red color stitching on the door pads, as well as same stitching can be seen on the seats. Other than that, you get this glove box area, and there's very good premium velvet touch to the center console as well as dashboard area, and you get some storage space here, and this small place is to keep your key, and you also get one cup holder here. So not a lot of cubby holes, cause this car is not meant for chauffeuring around. This car is meant for pure drivers. Now let's just go out and I'll show you what propels this 8.5 crore Ferrari. So talking about its mechanical specs, this car derives power from a naturally aspirated V12 engine. This is a 6.5 liter engine which produces 830 bhp of power, and it comes coupled to a 8-speed DCT. This is the purest form of engine without any turbocharging and electrification. Ferrari has done a wonderful job in bringing back a naturally aspirated V12, where all the manufacturers are now running towards hybridization or electrification of cars, and this, I guess, is the last great V12 of our time which we are gonna see in skin. The price of this car starts at 8.5 crore ex-showroom, and it goes all the way up to 9.15 crore for the open top Spider version. You can go for multiple customizations in this car. This is the most highly customized Ferrari 12 Cilindre in India. It gets a lot of carbon fiber, it gets seat options, it gets different color shade, it gets different alloy wheels, and all these modifications are worth 3.54 crore, adding to the overall car's cost. I want to know your opinions about the all new Ferrari 12 Cilindre. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आए, you know the drill, इस वीडियो लाइक कीजिए, हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करिए, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get all our future updates.